Hello guys and welcome to another clay tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make supersonic with clay. Let's go.
Okay, so as you can see, I already made the skeleton for supersonic. Now I will just put yellow clay on the wire to create the legs. And on the other side too. And the legs are done. Now I will move the wire so I can work better on the rest of the body. Right now I'm working with sunflower yellow clay because it looks better on supersonic than the lemon yellow clay. I think the lemon yellow clay is too bright for this sculpture. And we're almost done with the upper half of supersonic's body. For arms, I'm doing basically the same as I did for the legs. And yeah, of course on both sides. And it doesn't look bad so far. Now we will need Sahara clay. And this is just another annoying fly. For those who don't have Sahara clay, you can probably mix it with white, a bit of yellow and a bit of brown. And yeah, now I'm making the socks with white clay. For his shoes, you will need red clay. Now we'll place white clay under his shoes. And now we'll need white clay again. And the same on the other side too. Supersonic is wearing white gloves just like Mickey Mouse, and that's why we'll need white clay for our hands. I have to be very careful so the fingers don't fall off. And I will attach it to the arm. And the same on the other side too, and it looks very cool. For the tail I'm using a tiny piece of yellow clay. And now we'll place like 3 spikes or hair, I don't know what this is, but yeah, 3 of these things on his back. And now making this hair texture on his body with a sharp tool. And that's how it should look like. Oops. And here comes the best part, the head. I'm placing yellow clay on a ball of aluminium foil to not use so much yellow clay, because I have only 1 pack of sunflower yellow and I will need more later. The first thing we need for the eyes is always wet clay. This supersonic would look angry. And I'm cutting down the clay I don't need with a sculptor. And as always on the other side too. And now I'm putting another layer of yellow clay on the head. And if you want, you can also follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok. I can only recommend it. Okay, so now I'm adding some spikes again. In total, we will need 7 of these spikes on the head. For his mouth, I'm using a sharp tool again. And for the nose, just a tiny piece of black clay. And for the eyes, 2 tiny pieces of red and then black clay. Don't forget to make the ears. And we'll need this hair texture on the head too. Now I can already put him into the oven. And after the oven hardening, I can already attach the head to the body. Now I'll use a gloss varnish to make the eyes look shiny. And guys, I guess that's it. Supersonic made with clay.
I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comments and tell me which character you would like to see next. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to not miss any further videos. And yeah, see you in my next video.